Alright guys, doing the random for break 298. We got the NFC first. We got Dane on top, Dane on the bottom. This is for the mini helmets of ours. We got Arizona Cardinals on top, Washington Redskins on the bottom, dice roll 5 or greater. We got 9 rolls, guys. Good luck. We got Green Bay Packers on the top, Arizona Cardinals on the bottom. Alright, back with the random for the mini helmets. Got AFC teams. Baltimore Ravens on top, Tennessee Titans on the bottom, 5 or greater. 2, 9. Last roll. Houston Texans on top, Tennessee Titans on the bottom. Good luck, guys.